I'm going to show you a PNF or Proprioceptive Neuromuscular Facilitation stretch for the radial side of your wrist by going into ulnar deviation and then resisting it. So this is what it's going to look like. In the supinated position, I'm going to place my hand over the top, my other hand over the top of this one, and we're going to go into ulnar deviation. So that's going to stretch the muscles on the inside of the wrist. And you're going to go ahead and go like that until you feel a stretch, and hold for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now you're going to try and press into radial deviation, but you're going to resist that with the other hand. And hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now you do more ulnar deviation to stretch the radial side. And hold for 5, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And just repeat that sequence for 2 to 3 repetitions.